First, let's talk about the new feature.
Instagram has introduced a couple of new stickers, and one of the coolest is the Polaroid frame sticker.
This allows you to add a photo into a frame and place it over your story.
When your followers see the story, the photo will initially be grayed out. To reveal the photo, they need to shake their phone. To get started, you need to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram.
Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and update your Instagram app.
Once the update is complete, open Instagram and start by creating a new story.
Let's add a photo to our story first.
Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A menu will appear with different sticker options. Find the frames option and click on it. This will open your camera roll. Select the photo you want to add into the frame. I'm going to choose this beautiful photo. Next, you can add a caption or some text to your frame. Something like memories works great, and you'll also see a date below the text, showing when the photo was taken. And that's it. You can now share this to your Instagram stories.
When your friends or followers open your story, the frame will be grayed out, and they just need to shake their phone to reveal the photo inside.
How cool is that?